In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Play Store app history. Every time you download an app, no matter what phone you've been on, that will automatically log your apps for you. So I'm going to show you how to delete this. Go into Google Play Store and tap on the profile picture in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device, and then tap on Manage. Now where it says installed, tap on this and select not installed. This will show you the apps that you have downloaded in the past. Click on the checkbox and select how many apps you want to delete. Once you're happy enough with the apps that you want to delete, tap on the delete button in the top right hand corner and remove them from your list. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace.